This video walks through the complete fuel cell disassembly process from start to finish with Dan. We begin by breaking down the full units to access the internal fuel cell columns. The outer casing is removed, exposing the internal mechanical components. Next, all wiring and wiring harnesses are disconnected. Hoses, pumps, and mounted hardware are taken off one at a time. Once the brackets are released, the mechanical assemblies can be fully separated from the fuel cell column. Now we begin disassembling the fuel cell columns themselves. Supporting brackets are removed, giving us access to the compressed cell stacks. These stacks are held under significant pressure by bolts, washers, and nuts. To safely release that pressure, each nut is loosened slowly, gradually, and evenly. Improper release can cause sudden pressure discharge, posing a risk to hands and fingers. We then move to the two taller fuel cell stacks. The front plating is removed, exposing the compression hardware beneath it. Pressure is released slowly and evenly across all nuts. You'll notice the pressure releases earlier than expected, a good reminder of why controlled loosening is so important. With pressure relieved, the supporting rods are removed and the individual fuel cells are separated. For the final fuel cell column, multiple brackets are removed to reveal the bolts, washers, and nuts securing the stack. Once all pressure is relieved, the top caps are lifted off, the tension rods are removed, and the remaining fuel cells are extracted, completing the disassembly process. Gannon and Scott recover more, worry less.